Hello Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana ba'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Gemini, paunang mensahe ninyo ay male, female. This could be you or maaaring this is someone, a female, na you're going to be dealing with at this time. What else? Why? Wow, napakaganda. You have sudden wealth, Gemini, no? Biglaan itong dadating na kaperahang ito. This is financial gain, no? Additional wealth sa inyo na hindi ninyo to ine-expect, no? Kasi hindi naman ito bunga ng inyong pagtatrabaho, hindi ito galing sa negosyo, this is a windfall of money na paparating sa inyo. So, this could be coming from a win. No, maaring panalo ito sa game of chance kasi meron ditong slot machine. So, that could be coming from a game of chance. At saka meron din synchronicity dito, Gemini. So, I suggest po, tignan din po ninyo ang ibig sabihin ng synchronicities na to. Yung number meanings, no? Kasi there is more inspiration, information, or guidance na gustong iparating sa inyo ang universe. So, number 11 is a highly spiritual number. It's very powerful number as well kasi master number siya. So, please look up for the meaning of master number 11 at saka yung angel number 777. 7 is a very, that's a good luck number, no? Napakaswerteng numero ng 7 at tripled pa ang energy niya dito. So, sobrang swerte talaga kayo pagdating sa pera sa ngayon, no? So, please look that up, number 11 and angel number 777. We have number 18. Number 18 is definitely a new beginning energy. Yung child energy is bagong simulain ito. You're going to start fresh dito in some areas of life. Maaring financial aspect ito na magsisimula. Kasi meron tayong sudden wealth. So, maaring yung kaperahang ito is going to start or going to create a beautiful change sa inyong financial status, sa inyong financial security, stability. So that could be a fresh start in other areas of life then, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. So we have number 8, false person. Mag-iingat kayo, Gemini. This is a warning for you, no? Mag-iingat kayo, lalo-lalo na maraming pera talaga ang dumating sa inyo. So be careful with the people that you deal with kasi ang dami-daming scammers, 'di ba, sa mundo. Kaya kahit nasaan tayong parte ng mundo, lagi tayong dapat careful, cautious sa bawat galaw, sa bawat kinakausap natin, lalong-lalo na kung strangers. Kasi kung yun nga kakilala natin, hindi ba nabubudol tayo? Yung pa kayang stranger sa atin, hindi ba? Kaya extra cautious kayo lagi. Now, be careful with whom you talk to at kung ano ang sinishare ninyo ng mga impormasyon, no? So, be careful kasi maaring merong mga low vibration people around you sa ngayon na maaring mga scammers, maaaring mga manloloko, sinungaling, mga ganon. So, mag-iingat. So, tignan natin kung ano pa ang kaganapan dito for Gemini. We have angel number 2112. Ayan. So, dito naman, someone watching over you. Alright? So, someone watching over you. Meron ditong laging nagbabantay sa'yo, nakatingin sa'yo, maaari yung taong ito, or this could be your ancestors, mga loved ones din yun na nag-passed on the other side. This could be your guardian angel. This could be your spirit guides, no, na laging nagbabantay sa'yo. So, good fortune, no, Gemini. So, malaking posibilidad na si sudden wealth talaga ay dumating sa inyo because you are surrounded with good fortune. Napakaswerte ninyo sa ngayon. Unforeseen forces. Ayan. So, maaaring spirit realm talaga to na laging tumutulong sa'yo, nagbabantay sa'yo, nagpoprotekta sa inyo, no? And they are helping you, no? Be directed to the right path. So sabi din dito, even if it seems like you're not making any meaningful progress, things are moving in the right direction. Napakaganda, di ba? Kahit hindi ninyo nakikita, kahit hindi halata kung ano na ang nagaganap sa mga ginagawa ninyo, pero look at that, you are being headed to the right direction. So if you see 2112, it's a sign that everything will work out in your favor and your dreams will come true soon. So, napakaganda. Angel number 555, definitely may change talaga. Child energy is is a fresh start, new beginning. So there is definitely change na mangyayari. So sabi dito, you're going to level up. It might not feel good initially, but it will prepare you to handle the greater things in life for your highest good. So that is the why you've been looking for. So push through it, okay? There's a reward waiting at the finish line. So napakagandang guarantee yan kasi 'di ba? Lahat kapag may tiyaga, 'di ba, may nilaga. 'Yun ang kasabihan. Kaya sa effort, sa perseverance na gagawin ninyo, makakaasa kayo na magbubunga yan ng magandang sitwasyon. So good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.